Simple tutorial for growing coleus plant including coleus plant propagation from cuttings is explained in details. The procedure given here is an excellent way of coleus plant indoor multiplication for all the varieties of coleus plant. Coleus is an excellent foliage plant that would add lots of color to your garden. You can grow these foliage plants in your garden which look as beautiful as the flowering plants. Coleus is easily grown from cuttings. In fact, it is one of the easiest plant to propagate from cuttings, which produce new roots in 1 to 2 weeks. Fill a pot with river sand and water well. River sand is the best rooting medium as it may be bacteria-free and drains excess water very fast. The cutting will rot if the water stands in the pot. Take cuttings in the morning. Cut 6 to 8 inch long thin stems from the new growth. Wrap cuttings in a wet newspaper and enclose in a sealed bag, while you prepare for other things. Remove all the leaves, or you may keep top leaves cut into half. Apply rooting hormone at the cut end of the cuttings. Rooting hormone is not necessary, but it will increase the chances of success. Aloe vera pulp also works best as a rooting hormone. So if you have an aloe vera plant, just cut its stem and take out its pulp and use it. You can plant more than one cutting in the same pot. Make a hole in the sand and insert the cutting about 3 inch deep. Do not push. Seal the pot in a polythene bag to create high humidity in it, which is needed for root growth. Place the bag in shade in a warm place. Keep away from direct sun. Open the bag every 10 days and add a few water drops in the soil or mist. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe for updates and take a look at my other videos.